Hello, today I'm going to show you how to check your oil level on a Renault Clio 3 and if it is necessary, dip up. First step, open the car hood. Engine is warm, but after you've driven the car, let it rest for 5 minutes. Then remove the dipstick as seen here, and here you can see this is the area between maximum is there, minimum is on the bottom side. Now we get back the dipstick into the engine. So it's a little bit tricky as you can see. Now close it, let it there for 1-2 seconds and release it again. Now we can have a look on the dipstick oil level. Here we are. This is in the center of this area. That means, okay, this oil level is good. If it is under minimum, you can refill 1 liter. If it is over maximum, you have to look that some oil is getting out. And you have to look if you are going to top up a little bit more oil inside, use this entrance into the engine area. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.